Good morning, student. Now it's time for a maths class, and today we will be doing the revision of problem sums. As I have repeatedly telling that in problem sums you have to write down steps. Without steps, no problem sums will be accepted. You are not going to get full marks. So, in problem sums, you have to understand the sums what is given, and then you have to write down the steps accordingly. Now look at the first sums. Sukanya saw 5,396 birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw 1,240 birds. How many birds they see altogether? So Sukanya saw so much of birds in a bird sanctuary. Tamanna saw so much birds. The question is asked, how many birds did they see altogether? So the first steps, what will be the first steps? Number of birds Sukanya saw in a bird sanctuary. Write down. Number of birds Sukanya saw in a bird sanctuary is how much? Write down. 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. How many birds did they see? 5. How many birds did she see? 5,396 birds. Next line. Tamanna saw 1,240 birds. Write down number of birds Tamanna saw in a bird sanctuary. 1,240. Now by reading the sums you have to understand that you have to add. So then put a plus sign. Now here what will be total number of birds they saw altogether. Right there. Therefore total number of birds they saw altogether. Now you have to add. Now add the ones. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 tens. Go to the tens place. 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 3 under the tens column and 1 over the hundreds. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Write down 6 under the hundreds column. Now go to the thousand place. 5 plus 1 will be 6. 6. The total number of birds they saw altogether is 6,636. Write down the answer. Sukanya and Tamanna saw 6,636 birds altogether in a bird sanctuary. Look at the next one. In a school, there are 2,510 girls. There are 300 boys, more than the number of girls. How many boys are there? In a school, there are 2,510 girls. There are 300 boys, more than the number of girls. So, how many boys are there altogether? The first step, what will you write down? Number of girls in a school. Number of girls in a school. And then it's hundreds, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. How many girls are there in the school? 2,510. Now next step, look at the next step. There are 300 boys. And look at the next line. What will you learn? Number of boys more than girls is equal to how much? 300. And what you have to do? You have to add. So first give a plus sign. Now add. 0 plus 0 will be 0. Put the tens one. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 100. 5 plus 3 will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. 1002. So the answer to therefore, write down here. Therefore, total number of boys is how much? 2110. Write down the answer. How many boys are there? 2810 boys are there in school. Now look at the next sum. On Monday, 457 people visited the Agra fort. Out of the 125 were men and 75 were children. How many women were there? So first understand the sum. Monday, so much number of people they visited the Agra fort. Out of this, they have said so much are men and so much are children. And the question is asked how many women were there. So understand, first men and children are given and the total number of people are given. So first what you have to do? You have to add how much men and how much children. You have to add these two things. Then the answer that you get, you have to subtract from the total. Then you will easily get the answer. That is how many women were visited. So first write down the steps. Number of men visited the Agra fort. Write down number of people. Number of men visited the Agra fort is how much? On Monday. On Monday. Write down the 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. How many people are there? 4 men, 125. Next is number of children. Number of children visited the Agra fort on Monday. On Monday. How much is? 75. So first we have to add these two numbers. Go to the 1 plus 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 7 will be 10. Write 0 under the tens column and 1 under hundreds. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. So you have got the total you have got how many total number of men and women, total number of men and children you have got total. Now next step, what will you do? Total number of people visited, how many people visited total? Total number of people visited the Agra fort on Monday equal to 457. So therefore number of women visited the Agra fort on Monday is equal to, add down the 10, 457 total number minus total number of men and women, men and children, sorry. We have to subtract. 0 minus 1 will be 7, tens 5 minus 0 will be 5, hundreds 4 minus 2 will be 2. So you have got the answer 257. How many women were there? There were 257 women were there. So I write down the answer. 257 women were there. 257 women there, or you can write down 257 women visited the Agra Fort on Monday. Sorry. Now look at the next one. There are 1,345 books in a shelf. Out of these, 1,001 are comics and 45 are drawing books, and the rest are writing books. How many writing books are there? So first write down your number of comics in a shelf. Number of comics in a shelf is equal to, write down the units 1,000, 100, tens, ones. So write down how many comics are there. 1,001. Next write down number of drawing books. Number of drawing books in a shelf is equal to 45. First you have to add these two numbers. So understand there are so much books in a shelf. Out of this, so much are comics and so much are drawing books. Now, and the rest are the writing books. So the question is bringing how many writing books are there total. So now write down 5 plus 1 will be, you have to add 5 plus 1 will be 6, 0 plus 4 will be 4, 0, 1. So the number of comics, number of comics and drawing books there altogether that is 1046. Number of comics and drawing books. Now you have to find out how many writing books are there. So first write down total number of, how many total number of books were there in the shelf. So write down total number of books in the shelf. Total number of books in a shelf. Total number of books in a shelf is equal to 1,345. Then therefore number of books books in a shelf, number of books in a shelf is equal to, write down 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. So write down 1,345 minus how much books were there, 1,046. So if you subtract this one, 5 we have to carry 9, 3 again this is greater number, so you have to carry 9, then 2 minus 0 2. So you have to, what is the answer? Answer 299 writing books are there. So I finished today's class. So go through all the sums and copy in your notebook. Thank you.